Stating achievements on your resume is a good way for you to stand out from other applicants. That's because achievements speak volume about your skill sets and working experiences. So, how do you include achievements on your resume? Today, we are going to discuss how to include achievements on your resume. Hi everyone, welcome to Job Majestic channel. I'm Jess. Our channel will be focusing on the content about job interviews or anything related about work. If you like content like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow our social media. Today, we are going to discuss the topic about how to include your achievements on your resume. Many people will write about their positions or working experience in their resume, but very often they will miss out one very important element, which is achievements. The column of achievements on your resume is something very important to enhance your resume. It helps you to highlight your attractions and your values. So, how do you include achievements on your resume? First, draft a list of your achievements. Write your achievements one after another and keep a record. Talking about achievements, it might not be the activities that you have participated or the awards that you have won. It could be the CGPA at your university or college, voluntary works that you have done before, positions of your club, or as well as the personal goals that you have realized. Other achievements might inclusive of the outstanding works that you have done for your previous company or some recognitions. Second, choose only 3 most important ones to include in your resume. Well, you might have a lot of interesting working experiences or achievements in your life, but you need not showcase all of them. Choose only 3 most important ones to include in your resume. Another tip is choose those that can relate to the position that you are applying. Interviewers do not normally spend a lot of time to read your resume. A good resume usually do not more than 3 pages. Third, showcase your achievements with figures. If your previous achievements are related to your previous positions, include that under the column of working experience. For example, if your previous job is telemarketer, you could say something like this. You receive average 60 calls in 1 working day and you are able to solve 90% of the customer inquiries. Write your achievements in details. Try to quantify your achievements because data is a good way for the interviewer to understand your capabilities in a better way. If your achievements are not related to the position that you are applying, try to include this in another table so that your resume could look more organized. Some job seekers might ask, should I include my achievements if the achievements are not related to the position that I'm applying? The answer is yes. However, you should prioritize the achievements that related to your position first. For example, if today you're applying for the position of graphic designer, design work should be prioritized first, following by other achievements. Alright, these are some of the tips that I hope it could help you to enhance your resume. If you think today's video is helpful for you and your friend, please like it and share it. If you have any comments, you can leave your comments in the comment section box below. I'm Jess. See you next Monday at 7 p.m.